Hello, Moonlighters, and welcome to episode 7 of Moonlight MVP, a YouTube channel dedicated to trying your side project prototype or MVP. In this episode, we're going to evaluate some projects. Very excited about it. We're going to be trying recall.wiki. It is your personal encyclopedia. Number 2, we're going to be trying Medusa, medusajs.com, which is the open source Shopify alternative. Number 3, we will be trying joinparallel.io. Find what fits you. I'm not exactly sure what that is yet. Very excited about it. Let me go ahead and start the timer to keep myself accountable to you guys and your time. Project number 4 is, I think it's an app. It's Xplors. Don't know too much about it, but excited to jump in. I think it's kind of like a tour guide app or a walking app. I don't know. Number 5, we will be trying a Google Chrome extension called Ticksy. That is Ticksy, and it's real-time stock and crypto prices by hovering over Twitter cash tags. I don't know what a cash tag is. I may be butchering that, but we shall see. And then number 6, I'm going to cheat. The first 5 were projects submitted to me. Either I sourced them myself or you found me and sent them to me. But number 6, I'm going to do a bit of hunting myself and check out some companies on Y Combinator's website. Big fan of Y Combinator, and I think they have some really cool companies. You know, that's where Uber came from. That's where Airbnb came from. That's where Reddit came from. And dozens of other companies that we likely use. I believe Dropbox. So I'll probably jump into Y Combinator and see if I can find a company. I don't know what I'm looking for yet, but I think that would be kind of a cool experiment. So this is episode 7. One other thing that's pretty exciting about episode 7 is we did reach our milestone of 100 subs. That was a milestone I had set, when I set out this channel. And I don't know if I have decided yet what to do to celebrate that. I will be celebrating that very soon. Probably in the next episode I'll make a decision. It will either be something like, I don't know, something cheap, maybe stickers that you can order, maybe a t-shirt that kind of commemorates the milestone, maybe I don't know, maybe an NFT, something exciting, something worth commemorating. No one cares while I have 100 subs, but if I look back at this video in a year, 2 years, 5 years, it would be cool to look at how I recognize that milestone while this channel only has 100 subs. So I hope this channel is exciting for you. I hope that the episode is entertaining for you. Like I said, just so you know how it works, I don't know much about it going in. I may have some flickering impression. I may have I may have reached out to you on Reddit, but for the most part, I don't know anything before I click on it. I'm trying to give it about 7 minutes per project, so I will start the timer at 7 minutes, and if I run out of time and it's super interesting, I might extend it a little more, but for the most part, I should cut it off at 7 because I think that's enough time for me to get what you're trying to do, and I'm probably giving you more time than a real user would anyway, before they decide this is what I want, this is not what I want. You're solving my problem, you're not solving my problem. So, but it's been fun so far, and Monster is not sponsoring this podcast, or it's not a podcast, it's a YouTube channel, but, if Monster did want to sponsor, a YouTube channel, I'd really appreciate it. It would be, I sponsor, I buy probably 3 Monsters a day, and so I'm keeping you in business. How about you sponsor me and get this channel up and running? Maybe I can spend some money on it. But aside from that, let's jump into the episode and let's try out some side projects. Alright, so the first project I'm going to be checking out is recall.wiki. So let's go ahead and start that timer, 7 minutes. Let's jump straight in. So recall.wiki, your personal encyclopedia. Google Alerts meets a note-taking tool to help you remember and stay informed about the things you are interested in. And then we have like a product hunt, thing here that might be interesting to check out. Sign up, but you've given a kind of a preview of the product. Always a big fan of that, so that before I have to start clicking around and getting lost, you kind of give me a taste of what to expect. So looks like we have a sidebar on the left with like some categories: media, TV shows, games, books, and on the right it looks like some kind of cards, and then like titles, descriptions. Okay, cool. So used by lifelong learners for media, coding, science, crypto people. I don't know what that means. Used for lifelong learners. Am I a lifelong learner? Oh, okay, cool. Another preview. See, this is good stuff. You're demonstrating to me how it's going to go before I actually jump in. Give me a second. My dog is dreaming. Hey, Henry! Henry! Stop being weird. Sorry about that. Cut into your 7 minutes with my dog dreaming. Alright, so we have this preview. What am I supposed to do? You search Sam Altman, and then Sam Altman comes up. Is that my article? Did I quickly create notes about things with summarized information from the web? Oh, I see. Stay informed. Subscribe to news about the specific things that you're interested in. Okay, I don't really know what that means. Discover connections. Links between notes are automatically created, helping you rediscover existing related notes. I don't really know what that means either. Recalls, features, information integrations. Create notes with data from information sources like Wikipedia. Okay, cool. News alerts. I don't care about news alerts. Bidirectional linking. I don't know what that means. Traditional hyperlinks go in one direction, whereas bidirectional links allow you to browse in either direction, helping you jump between related. Oh, that's cool. This should be number 2. I don't care about news alerts. Make that number 2. How long do we have left? We have about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright, I've got to get going. Automated categorization, don't care. Web clipper, the browser extends, allows you to highlight text. Images, okay. Augmented browsing, the browser extension allows, I'm already, alright, I get it. You got some cool features. Just let me jump in. Sign up. Sign up. Continue with Google. Boom. Yes. Yes. Just let me in. Don't ask for the secret password. Just let me in. Boom. Come on. Let's go, baby. Oh, look at that. That was beautiful. Look how easy that was for me to get. Welcome to Recall. Recall is a note-taking tool focused on growing, connecting, and organizing information on your interests. Next. Add a new note. Okay. You can add a note with summarized information from the web using this search. Okay. Add a new note. Start by adding a few things you're interested in. Start by adding a few things you're interested, like your. I think there's a typo there. Interested in, like your favorite movies, books, authors, or anything you are interested in. Got it, baby. I got it. All right. This is a cool little layout. I like this. So I have to go up here and do something. Keep typing to search. Moonlight MVP. Nope. Alright, so you told me to add something. What was I supposed to do? New type. Add something. Save. Cool. Let me click this plus button. Add a blank note. There we go. I am a note. You must recognize me. And then what else do I need to do? There's like a green button. Saved note. What is this? This is highlight it. Let's do that. Nope. Add italics. Oh, this is for down here. Hello, friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Alright, and then I'm going to mess around with that. And I'm going to change that. Yep, that looks good. It might make that unitalicized. Let's underline some shit. Yep, cool, got it. Add internal link. Press that button. That thing. Add internal link. Ooh, okay, so keep typing. I think this is for another note. Nope. I'm a note. Okay, so Moonlight MVP. Where is that searching from? That's cool. I don't know what that is doing. Let's just do YouTube. YouTube. Boom. Okay. Everything links everything. Okay, video sharing service. But can I add it? Let me just add it. Did that work? Okay, I think I add something. I think I added it. Let's go back to home. Okay, I'm a note. Cool. Oh, fuck. How do I go back? How do I exit? I'm gonna exit out. Go away. Okay, cool. So I added a note. Good stuff. How long? 60 seconds. To kind of do anything else that's kind of cool. Well, how do I check that bi-directional thing you were talking about? Let's add. Boom. Here I am streaming on YouTube. Hello. Yes. How are we? We are doing well. Thank you so much. How do I go back? Fuck, I'm running out of time. I'm stressed. I want to add some shit. I want to add. Let's leave you. Let's add a new note. Nope, that's not. What is new type versus new note? I don't know. I'm gonna press that nice button. Moonlight MVP, and then you said something about I can add like a link. I think add internal link. Press that. Link to my channel. Boom. And then can I do an? I am. Fuck, I run out. All right, I run out of time, but I'm gonna link that. Let me stop you. So let me just finish that out. So I did a bi-directional note thing here. So I'm going to add this. Now you said something about going in two directions. How do I get... Let's move away. Okay, so... I am a note, you must recognize me. So this, you said something about bi-directional. So I'm going to click there. Oh! Okay. There's a lot going on. It's cool as fuck. I don't know, like, I feel like it's a lion I've let out the fucking cage and I just can't get it back in. So if I click on you, I'm a note. You are links to this note. Okay, so you're providing the link to this note. We got some overlapping shit here. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Built something fucking awesome and you forget to wrap the thing. Isn't that just fucking life? Alright. I'm very confused because this seems repetitive though. Like it's like I am a note. I am the link to a note. And then I am another link. And then I am another thing. Am I the same thing? I am a note. Like there's it's really cool, but I just don't know what's happening. Go away. I feel like when I open this up I'm just being attacked with all kinds of stuff. Maybe help my eyes do a better job there. What is new type? Alright, I'm done with 7 minutes. There's 3 fundamental questions. What problem are you solving? I have no idea. You said this was like an encyclopedia, so I guess you're really solving like the storage of the repository of like there's a lot of information on the internet and you're saying, hey, why don't you just like build your own version, build your own encyclopedia. So I guess that's what the problem is. Wikipedia sucks. Build your own encyclopedia. Or the internet has too much information. Build your own kind of like collection of information. Who has that problem? I have that problem, but who more specifically? Maybe researchers, people that are like researching. I don't know. Who else would have that problem? People that have to gather a lot of information and organize it. Who are those people? I would assume maybe, like academics. And what is your solution? Your solution is recall or recall.wiki, and it is your personal encyclopedia. Very good job. Really liked this project and would love to kind of play around with it a lot more. Let's check the comments. I know there were some comments here. There were some comments. Pizza House said, what did Pizza House say? I feel the same. Confusing UI, and I missed the real world use case. What of my problems would this solve? Good UI shouldn't need animations explaining. My 2 cents on recall. That's fair. Good. When you say good UI shouldn't need animations explaining, I agree with you, but I am dumb. And I immediately get, like, my brain, I'm not patient, so my brain needs the preview, because otherwise I get lost immediately and I start clicking on shit the way you didn't want me to, and then I get lost because I then hesitate and I break things. So for me personally, I love previews because they tell me what I'm about to do before you want me to go and do it. But I appreciate that. That's awesome feedback. We have Adrian. Make the music quieter. Yeah, well, I did get 100 subs. So, thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Alright, so let's jump into number 2. Alright, next we have Medusa, or Medusa. I think it's Medusa. Apologies if I'm butchering that. I read Medusa, but it could also be Medusa. I don't know why it would be Medusa, because, you know, you're not a medical device company. But let's go ahead and start this 7-minute timer and jump in. Okay, so the open source Shopify alternative. The open source Shopify alternative. I don't really know if I know what Shopify is, so maybe... okay, cool. Let's just move on. Create a headless commerce store in minutes and start your growth journey on a fast and flexible foundation. I don't know what that means either. What is a headless commerce store? Like you beheading people? What does that mean? Create a headless commerce store. I think what you're trying to say is open source. I don't know though. Admin demo, get started. Alright, so let's scroll down. Import Medusa, that's some code. I don't know what that is. Take ownership of your tech stack. Easily integrate with your favorite tools. Then we have like a cool floaty thing here with some logos. Unlimited extensibility. Break out of your locked solutions and start developing a unique commerce experience. Medusa's extendable... Medusa's extendable architecture allows you to customize your engine to fit your needs. I don't know what that means. Easy to get started. Our quick starters let you spin up our backend with a fully functional storefront and admin with only a few lines of code. From there on, you can build custom integrations or leverage our pre-built ones. Okay, I do know what that means. Maybe this one should go first. Community support. Face problems? No worries. We are here to help, I'm sure. Get a head start. Choose between a variety of front-end starters. So I think this is a developer tool. Maybe this is a developer tool. Yeah. I don't know though. I ultimately don't. Production ready starter. A fully fledged web shop giving you collections, product pages, custom authentication, checkout flow, and more. Simple starter template for the dummies like me. Medusa or Medusa Express. I'm going to feel so stupid if it's Medusa. Buy and sell products directly with your link. Get in touch. Contact us. I just want to start building. Let me click on that. That seems like a good option. I just want to start building. Alright, so you redirect to a GitHub page. And I don't know how to spin this up right now. Maybe I can create a separate video once I figure this out. I'm assuming this is for a developer to take the code and make their own version. I'm really not sure. Or I got clicked on the wrong button. So let's get started. Yep, same place. Okay, so as far as this project goes, looks pretty cool. I'm not going to be able to get it up and running on the video, but I would definitely love if maybe in the next episode, if somebody can either help me figure that out, or I guess, is this the instructions? Import I don't really know what that means. But it seems like a cool idea though. I love these this preview. So you're presenting the possibility that I can have my own store and it not be controlled by Shopify, I'm guessing. How long do I have left? 3 minutes. Let's see if I can get some more information. A Notion. This is a Notion page, I guess. Medusa home. What is Medusa? Medusa story, mission, vision, goal. Try Medusa. Resources, FAQs, teams, how we work, paid time off, flexible. The page view stats by Notion. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's check out the. No, I don't want to put the team on blast. It seems like a cool project. I think that maybe. I don't know where to go from here. Because I don't know how to set this up. What is this? Try it out. Oh. Okay. So why would you do this? Okay, I love this idea. I really love this idea. Why have you hidden the best part about it in like this little button right here? Did I miss another button that says try it out? What does get started do? I think that goes to the GitHub. Yeah. Oh, honey, put this try it out right up here in the biggest, sexiest button for me to click, because this is where I want to be. This is home to me. How long do I have left? Minute 30. This is home to me. This is you telling, okay, I get it, a developer's going to get it too, but like, I'm not a developer and I'm dumb. Just give me this and go, hey, do you want this? Are you a developer? Here's how you get this. Start here. This is what makes sense to me. Okay, so you're saying, let me get this straight. You're saying if I'm a developer, or if I at least know, if I can get a developer to set it up, you're saying that you can have your own Shopify setup, that it not be controlled by Shopify. I guess I would have control of not only the store itself, but the construction of the store, the raw code. That is awesome. I would agree. You gave me a challenging time figuring out what the, like, why? This is like the best thing. Like, the developer will view the code, but I'm not a developer. This is like the best, like, I don't want to beat a dead horse here, but I need to beat the shit out of it. Maybe you only intend on developers finding this page. So me as a non-developer would never go to this page. So maybe it does make sense to direct them to GitHub. But maybe then you could give two options, like the time is up, so I'm done. Maybe you could give two options, like one button says go to GitHub and the other button says view example store. Then I am going to click on the not GitHub one. I'm going to click on the view store because I don't understand how to view the code. However, let's summarize this. Very cool idea. Very cool. What problem are you solving? I guess you're saying that having a head of a commerce platform is a problem. So Shopify has a head. And you're saying no to head. That's a problem. We want headless commerce store, headless. So that's the problem. And all the issues with centralization and maybe control of the, I don't know, control of the ecosystem, maybe control of the policies about what maybe a product sold. I don't know. But you're saying, hey, Shopify is the problem. The solution is No, who's the problem for though? Who's the problem for? So the problem is for a Shopify owner or somebody that would be in the market for a type of product, and you're saying the person that would consider a Shopify, they're going to have this problem, maybe control of the store. And what is your solution? Your solution is Medusa or Medusa. It's a 50-50 at this point. Although you're not a medical device company, so that wouldn't make sense. You're saying Medusa is the solution. So if you're a developer or if you're a Shopify owner and you can ask a developer's help, you can get one set up. Maybe you could help me not think Medusa by like the logo. Maybe it could be a stronger logo. Like if you're going to call it Medusa, play with that character a bit. If it is Medusa, I don't know why it would be, but I don't know, like a medical device icon. I don't know. Moving on. Great job. Thank you. That was awesome. Let's check out the comments. How again commenting seems tool oriented at either software architects or small team software developers, whereas Shopify is a tool to build e-shops for semi-amateurs, so it's not really alternative. Cool nevertheless. It has a beautiful UI and all, but I don't see what should the advantages over Shopify be. That's a good point. I don't know either. Being open source doesn't matter to small businesses. Could be a valid point, may not be a valid point. I don't know. It's hard to know. And then this. Alright, so next we have Parallel or join parallel.io. Let's go ahead with my 7-minute timer and let's jump straight in. Alright, so we have a cool looking website here and it says create a fund, earn cash, post your outfits. Post your outfits. And then we have like Model 25. We have like cool pictures up here. I don't know what that means. Is this a scrolly thing? Yes, it is. Challenges. Win free clothing. Enter your posts. Explore styles. Get measured. Discover challenges. Profile. Earn rewards. And then we've got some cool looking Pinteresty pictures with some good looking people. Alright. And then some more good looking people. And cool pictures, and then we have some timers going. Are these timers with some day countdown clocks, and then some more good looking people. All right, we are in business today. Parallel, okay, and some more good looking people. These are all. And some more good-looking people. Okay. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? What do you want me to do? Click on these. I'll click on. Let's click on. Alright, what do you want me to do? You want me to sign up. Okay. You want me to sign up? I will, but I want to see what this is all about first. Can I go away? Can I leave? Are you going to let me sign in? I'll sign up. Wherever, Parallel, you win. Sign in with Google. Yes. Thank you. Love it. Love it. Username. Moonlight. Moonlight. Moonlight MVP. Moonlight MVP. I think that might be my laptop being slow, not your website. Oh, but you're redirecting me. I think I pressed. Did I press enter? Moonlight MVP. Username cannot contain space characters. Boom. You don't need both of these. So like you got. Take this away. You don't need this here because you're telling me to put my username in. And when I click on it, it's like, hey, give me your username. Give me username. Give me username. Birthday. My birthday is on January 14th, 1990. So for those of you with a calculator, I am, yes, I am. I am 32? 32. Save information. Alright, welcome to Parallel. Find what fits you. Find what fits you. Okay, so this is about sizing. Let's go. Get inspired. Stay up to date with the latest fashion trends from people just like you. Next. Inspire others. Post your outfits and show off your unique style to the community. Okay. So I need to post my outfits, which, judging by what I'm wearing, isn't going to get a lot of likes. But that's okay. Go away, you annoying little window. Monetize your wardrobe. Earn passive income. Enter challenges to earn rewards. Model for any brand. Create your first post. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Upload a photo. Upload a photo. I don't want to do this yet. I'm scared to do this. I'm scared. I'm gonna take nope. Let's see. I need to upload a photo. So I'm going to upload a photo of Moonlight MVP. Moonlight MVP. That's what I'm going to do. I'm now lost. Where am I? Parallel. Parallel. Back here. I'm home. I'm home, baby. I'm home. I'm home. What do you want? What do you want? Hello. Just here. Having some fun. Don't mind me. Boom. Subscribe to Moonlight MVP. Goodbye. Go away. Go away. Leave me alone. Alright, upload. Upload. No drafts. I'm getting attacked. You'll get replies here. I don't want to speak to you. Upload photo. Click. Boom. 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 Yes. That's what I want. Crop. It's a pretty good platform. I'll give it that. Go away. Stop attacking me. Alright. Don't ask me any more information. Submit. Please add at least one image, one item. I added an image. I added an image. I thought. True size. Add item. Oh, I have to give the brand Moonlight Light MVP, garment, unisex, type. It is indeed a jumpsuit, and subtype it is an overall, and price $1,000. Currency Afghanis. Size it is a 4. Size type, Jesus, how many? Definitely plus. No, I'm feeling petite today. Color red. This is actually a pretty good platform. I think this works well. And the timer ran out, but I'm going to give you a little extra. You need a little. I'm going to be generous today. Pattern. Let's do. It's definitely Paisley. Definitely. Does this garment fit true to size? I wonder if this is a really big problem that you're actually solving. We'll see. Definitely tight. Very tight. Add item. Did I do it right? Moonlight MVP. Select a brand from the drop down. Oh, I couldn't type my own brand. Nike. It's definitely Nike. Add item. Alright, so I've added the item. It's a size 4 jumpsuit overall. That's red. Fits very well. Add post info. It's definitely a nude. You gave me the option, Parallel. You gave me the option. I didn't write that. Enter your location. St. Louis. Description. Not nudes from Moonlight. MVP in St. Louis. I gave you an extra minute or two because I thought you deserved it. You've built a really cool platform. Success. You've successfully uploaded your first outfit. We will review your post before it goes live in the marketplace. I don't anticipate it gets approved. Upload another post. View your posts. Okay, cool. So this is quite an advanced platform to the point where I don't think this is a side project. I think this is like a real thing, you know. Let's check out what's going on here. Again, more good-looking people. More good-looking. It's not quite clear to me how you'd make money from posting pictures of your outfits, but I'm sure you, if I gave it more than 7 minutes, it would make a lot more sense. Parallel body match. What's that? Turn on Parallel to find other with similar dimensions. They'll help find the right fit. Oh, okay. Parallel, want to find the full Parallel, upload photos. Cool. Yeah, I like this platform. I'm not entirely sure I fully understand what's going on. I have a notification. I'm not sure I fully understand what's going on. But it's about sizes and earning money with your outfits. So, what problem are you solving? I don't know if this is the problem, but I'm gonna guess the problem is clothes fitting and sizing, and is it truly going to fit, is it not, and then the way that, you know, but then also the problem could be, do you not have enough places to post selfies, like we're another platform to help you post a selfie? I don't know. What was the second question? The second question was, who has that problem? These people, these good-looking people, have this problem. They wake up every day and go, "Ah, man, I just wish I had a place to post my outfits and be size matched or fashion matched." And what is the solution to the problem? Parallel. Join Parallel.io. It's a place full of very good-looking people, and they would like you to post pictures of you if you are good-looking. Maybe also if you're not good-looking, it's okay. I don't know. Seems a welcoming place. Seems a welcoming place, and so I see there's like brands and stuff here. Okay, cool. Well, finishing this out, this was a fun project. I probably understand this one the least of all of them, but it was probably the most developed of all of them, if that makes sense. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Alright, explore. Start exploring a new area. Let's click on this. And I have an ad. Immediately get an ad. How about that? Title of a new area. Ross Lane. Path size is a small path. Map size, medium. Location, use custom location. Create. Okay. So I just put I didn't even need to put my address in. It just started. So now it's saying start exploring. Start exploring. What does that mean? View paths, start exploring. Oh, okay. So I'm going to have to walk around for a brief minute to test this app. So if you're watching the live stream, just know that I'm going to have to go create. A route. So give me just one moment. Okay, so I think there's an error with the app. I think there might be a slight error because I'm getting like just this blank screen with a dot on it, and I would imagine the map is supposed to be there, because when I go back to home, it did save the route. I don't know if you can see that or not. It saved the route. So I guess you can imagine that worked. Then you can give like a it has 0 stars right now. So how do I then? It gives a date. View paths. Yeah, view all. So I think it's a really cool idea. I just think it's not working for me. The map probably just, there's probably some kind of small error in the code, or small bug. But if it delivers what I think it can deliver, that's actually a really cool idea. Really cool idea, because then you can kind of record your own personal routes and your own personal paths. And let's say like you have a favorite park, or a favorite hike, then, or a favorite kind of hidden spot that you love, then you can kind of build your own library of paths. So that's really cool. I do like it a lot. Unfortunately, I think the app was not working for me. If you're watching this video, this is about side projects. They're working in progress. They're not completely developed, or they have bugs sometimes. But the whole point of my channel is like, patience and support for people. So what I want to see is, this video is going to be published on February the 20th. If you're watching this, come back in a week or two and try the app yourself and see if it works. I'm sure it will once the developer gets a chance to fix some bugs. But cool idea. I actually really like this idea myself. I need to get out there. It could be a way to encourage, me to get out there, quite frankly. If you actually make progress and you fix it, then let me know, and I'll maybe review it in a further episode as well. I think that would be kind of fun. I think this one will finish a little early, so I want to ask the same fundamental questions. What problem are you solving? I think you're solving the problem of not having a good, like, personalized collection of routes, or also not wanting to, having to rely on like the websites of the county that tell you about the paths or something. This enables you to really develop your own collection. Who has that problem? People that like going on hikes, people that like going on trails, people that like being outdoors would have this problem. They're definitely going to have this problem because they might have their favorite, like, unique twist on the route, or hotspot, and what is your solution? Your solution is Xplors, which is an app that you can download from the App Store. I'll go ahead and stop this timer. But hey, good job. I really enjoyed it. It was I really do enjoy the idea, and would love to see you. Like I said, I would love to see you. Oh, everything just made sense to me. That is exactly what happened. Right there. That is what happened. Okay. So I just realized by looking at the preview on the app section that you uncover the map. I feel really stupid right now, but that is how it happened. So maybe like make it clear to me that is because I just realized now the map is revealed to you on your path. So Apologies for maybe being confused. Now this logo makes sense to me. Now the logo makes sense. Okay, look at that. Now that makes a lot more sense. Well, I'm actually even more impressed. I may have completely not understood what was, the goal. The goal is to, remove the black in the map. But actually, that makes it a lot more fun. But I'll go ahead and finish this out. Great job. Look forward to kind of following the project in the near future, in future episodes. Alright, so the last project I'm going to be reviewing that was submitted to me organically is Ticksy. And if I go ahead and start my timer, 7 minutes, let's jump into Ticksy. So it looks like it's got, it's a productivity, it's a Chrome extension, and it has under the category of productivity 371 users. Good for you. That's actually quite a lot. And then we have a overview here. So it looks like a video. Let's read the overview. See real-time stock on crypto prices by hovering over Twitter cash tags. I've never heard cash tags before. Provides prices for stocks and crypto when you hover over ticker symbols, Tesla, Bitcoin, also known as cash tags on Twitter. Oh, that's cool. Ticksy extension is a simple and useful tool to let you view real-time stock and crypto prices right on Twitter when you hover over a cash tag. Simply hover over a given stock cash tag in any of the tweets in your feed and see real-time stock price, as well as additional data such as market cap, volume, and shares outstanding. For cryptocurrencies, the extension also shows real-time stock prices as well as 24-hour high and low data and the 24-hour volume for cryptocurrency. Unlike similar extensions, this extension does not open an external web page for price, and the extension does not require logging into Twitter to see the prices. It does not require any permissions besides storage, so if you hover over the cash tag very frequently instead of a new API call, the local storage shows the latest price data. Okay. So let's see here. So it looks like you're hovering, this preview looks like you're hovering over. Okay, so can I do that? Let's go to, I'm logged into Twitter. You guys should all definitely follow me on Twitter. And how do I find a cash tag? Let's do Tesla. Can I do that? No, that's tweeting. I don't want to tweet it. I don't want to tweet Tesla. I want to find Tesla. Tesla. Search. Alright. So, how do I find a cash tag? How do I find a cash tag? What the fuck is a cash tag? Did I do that right? Maybe let me do it differently. Let me do it differently. I know I'm fucking up right now. Is this ways? No. Or a $sign. Let's see if that worked. I don't know if how do you, what was that preview? How did that preview show it? The preview showed it with a $sign TSLA. Okay, so let me do $sign TSLA. Okay. Now what? Now what? How do I find the cash tag? How do I find the cash tag? I want a cash tag. Please, please give me a cash tag. Please give me a cash tag. I want a cash tag. There's one. Boom. Nice. Fuck yeah, that looks cool. I don't know what it's doing. So that's the stock price, I guess. So it opens up the So if I do, okay, so I don't know what Bitcoin is. Do I do Bitcoin? BTC. BTC, baby. Oh, this look, okay, so ETH. Nice. Okay, so it just gives you the stock price. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, that is so awesome. That is so awesome. How long do I have left? 2 minutes. That is so awesome. So ETH is $2,590 right now. Bitcoin is 38,000. The date is February 20th, which is a Sunday, 3:30 p.m. Bitcoin is 38,000. What the fuck? What are we doing? Sol is whatever that means. 1 is whatever that means. Okay. What other Bitcoins? What other cash tags are there? I would like to know. I would like to know what Facebook is. Awesome. I just FYI, I've never heard the term cash tags before, but this makes a lot more sense to me now. Let's see. How do I want to know the stock price of Netflix. Maybe it would help if I knew what the stock symbols were. Stock symbols. Let's do Apple. What's Apple trading at? 43 seconds. 43 seconds. What's Apple trading at? Oh, there's Netflix. Netflix 389. Amazon 330. 3030. Jeez. AMD 112. Domino's 435. Microsoft 285. So you've built a Chrome extension that can build a card on top of Twitter, which is freaking awesome. It seems so simple, but it's like a beautiful idea, you know. Here's what my philosophy is on this. My time has run out. Boom. Here's my philosophy. When people are building like extensions on top of your platform, I think you need to innovate more. Because people, I feel like, are building awesome things on top of like Twitter, because Twitter hasn't done it. So, man, this was an awesome one. It's so funny. I didn't think that would have been the one that would like really get me off my seat, but this one is awesome. It truly is. Let's go back to the Ticksy. And I don't know what this is. Is this their website? Hassan, great job, Hassan. If you're watching this video, go give Hassan some love. Tell him he built an awesome project. I'm sure he's got a Twitter account somewhere. In fact, I'm going to say great stuff to Hassan and record it, because this was just awesome. This was awesome. Hey, great job with the extension. Video will be published soon. And then I'm gonna create my own cache thing that doesn't even exist. Moonlight MVP. One day, I hope to have a cache tag for that. Boom. Great job, Hassan. All right, that kind of wraps up the organic Submissions. I'm really liking some of the projects. Let me say that again. Alright, what's my timestamp? My timestamp is 1:40, 1 hour and 40 minutes. Ticksy, 1 hour and 40 minutes. Alright. Last but not least, there's going to be a Y Combinator company. It's going to be a Y Combinator company. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll see how this plays out. We'll see how this plays out. All right. And let's do Y Combinator. Oh, I didn't do the 3 questions for Ticksy. Taxi? I didn't do the 3 questions. Let's go back. It's Ticksy. Forgot to do questions. So let me kind of retroactively do those. And 3, 2. All right. So what were the 3 fundamental questions to ask for Ticksy? What problem are you solving? I guess the problem you are solving is being on Twitter and not being able to quickly access the real-time price for that cash tag or for that company. Who has that problem? Maybe finance people that are on Twitter, or portfolio managers that are on Twitter, or just people that are not really into finance, but they maybe own some stocks, and they are on Twitter. And what's your solution? Your solution is Ticksy. It's a way to easily kind of see a preview card of what the price is. And I guess that would it makes a lot of sense when maybe, like, let's say you're a journalist and you post like, hey, this company had a really good quarter, so their stock price went up. And they posted that maybe like today. The cash tag, you could then see the value. You can actually see it in real time. Maybe you could verify what the journalist says. Or maybe you could see, did the journalist impact maybe when the journalist says, at the time of this tweet, it was $10 a share, and then you click the cash tag or hover over the cash tag and it's $12 because maybe that journalist is famous and they had an impact on the stock or something like that. Or maybe the flip side. I don't know. Cool stuff though. Cool stuff. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do in this episode that I thought would be kind of fun and experimental is I'm going to check out Y Combinator's startup directory. If you don't know what Y Combinator is, it's I believe it's an incubator or accelerator based out of San Francisco and are responsible for producing or harvesting many of the companies that we know of today. And essentially, the founders of companies, or very early on in the journey, they maybe already have an MVP or they have maybe some initial traction, but they certainly aren't, a big company, or they're maybe still a small team of 2 or 3 friends. They apply to Y Combinator. Y Combinator puts them through kind of a boot camp, and then Y Combinator unveils them to kind of a very select group of investors, and then those investors invest money in those companies, and then some of those companies completely fail. Most of those companies probably fail. Some of those companies go on to be large, successful companies. So here is just a couple of examples: Airbnb. Many of us know about Airbnb, DoorDash, Coinbase, Ginkgo Works, GitLab, Dropbox, PagerDuty. Many of these companies have become giant success stories. Stripe, Instacart, Brex, Reddit itself. How about that? Reddit, Zapier, Gusto, a great payroll company. So what I thought I would do would be kind of fun as an experiment is, these, if you look at like the batches that these companies went through, they're like, this was winter 2009, spring or summer 2013. I think that's spring 2012, spring 2014. Like these are 5, 7, 10-year companies, but they actually have like a batch that's very recent that would be way closer to kind of where we're at, side projects. Maybe it's maybe you have some traction. So I thought I would actually filter through and see if I can find one that would be cool to check out. So I'm going to go ahead and just filter. I don't know what I'm going to find. Integrate your website and mobile app with popular retail brokers. Synapse, the operating system of Hollywood. Cloud equal to AI, end-to-end SaaS management and AI-powered personalized buying platform. Impossible mining, responsible robotic mining of seabed battery metals. ETF discovery app for a new generation of long-term investors. Hello Guru, data connector with SQL-free technology. Gravito automated WireGuard networks for cross-cloud. Wow, that's a concoction of key terms or jargon. Pigeon loans, simplifying loans with your friends and family. Ooh, that might be interesting. Pigeon loans, simplifying loans with your friends and family. I am interested in that one. I might come back to that. Reviving Mind, telehealth provider for older adults addressing chronic illness. Anja Health, umbilical cord blood banking made easy. Avo Academy, we teach UX, UI design and then help people get great jobs. Wanted, the trusted source of one-stop shop for all things sneakers. That seems interesting. Human, create a digital community for your company. Interesting. OneFlow Clean, on-brand user surveys for startups. That might be interesting too. I actually want to choose between these two. Let's see. Create a digital community for your company. Clean on-brand user surveys for startups. OneFlow Human. I might check. What's this? Productivity SaaS B2B, customer success B2B SaaS. Ooh, which one would be the better choice? I like the both. I like how they both sound, but I think this one sounds more simple to me. OneFlow. Okay, let's check it out. OneFlow helps companies understand customers along with their entire journey so that they can build products people love, tell stories people relate to, and deliver experiences people enjoy. With our platform, self-serve in-app survey platform, teams can easily launch surveys, collect user feedback and qualitative attributes, analyze sync data across the entire tech stack to make smart product and marketing decisions. Okay, so how do I wonder if I have to download anything or if I can sign up. Let's see. Get started for free. So I'm not going to let a Y Combinator company off the hook. In fact, they probably should be way better. So I'm going to give them 5 minutes. How about that? Because if you're a Y Combinator backed startup, you should have your shit together a lot more than side projects. So I'm going to go 5 minutes, and I'm going to be I'm going to try. We'll see if I survive. 5 minutes, go. All right. Finally, an in-app survey tool both you and your users will love. You'll love it for the advanced features to segment, understand, and build your users. They'll love it for simple and delightful experience. All right, activity, trigger after event, create account, real-time data. This is a preview. How was your experience creating your account? Blah, blah, blah. Make smart product and marketing decisions. Sign up motivation. Learn about why users sign up to your app so you can help them. New user attribution. Ask a user users how they found you to identify high ROI channels. Net promoter score. Continuously measure and improve your satisfaction score. Product market fit. Get a sense of how close you are to product market fit in each user segment. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. Feature satisfaction. Measure how well your product features satisfy your user. 5-star reviews. Drop-off reasons. Pricing study. Figure out the ideal pricing without spending months on testing. Bug reporting. Demographic info. Okay. Idea validation. Feature requests. We make user insights easy and fast. How long do I have left? I have over 3 minutes. Give your users a clean, on-brand interface. Create new widgets easily with intuitive editor. Okay, use data logic to design the user flow. Man, this is I really like this landing page too. Triggers an audience. All right, I get it. Give me some shit to build. Get started for free. Let's go, OneFlow. Create your free account. Start collecting real-time user insights. Free account, Danny Marlin. Email Danny Marlin 2020 at gmail.com. Password is this. Create my account. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Save. Your company name. Moonlight MVP. Company size. I'm solo. Solo. Add project. Boom. Project name. I don't know. Moonlight MVP. Time zone. Add snippet. Boom. Install. Not a developer. Invite a teammate to help you. Install whatever this is. Track events. Whatever that is. Start collecting insights. Boom. Okay. Payment required. To access the sites you own, you need to subscribe to a monthly or yearly payment program. As I should. I'm being attacked again by Intercom. Or whatever that is. Subscribe now. Do this, do that. Create a survey. Draft. No surveys yet. In progress. No surveys yet. Complete. Alright. Nice big blue button. You want me to press this button? So this button I shall press. Untitled micro survey. How can I improve Moonlight MVP? Create. Add a question. Boom. 1 out of 5. Ooh. Rate. Enter your question here. Please rate the idea of Moonlight MVP. Alright, sorry about that. Had someone come to the door. Let's go ahead and adjust the timer. Let's say 2 minutes. Boom. Coming back home. Coming back home. Alright, please rate the Moonlight MVP. This will help us improve your questions. 1 is hate it. 2 is love it. Add a question. Multiple choice. What ideas? How did you find us? Always a good question to ask to figure out if you're marketing. So let's put Reddit. Let's put Twitter. Let's put Reddit, Twitter, YouTube. YouTube. All right, boom. Add question. Any ideas ideas on how to make the channel better. Question mark. Boom. Finish. Are you finished? Any ideas? This will help us improve. Okay. How do I finish? Publish. There was one error with your submission. Platforms is required. What does that mean? Platforms is required. Platforms is required. What's a platform? Any ideas? Hello. Is that what's messing up? Hello. Character limit, minimum 5. Hello. Maximum. Oh, that's me telling them. Okay, finish. Finish. Publish. Hello. What did I do wrong? Timer ran out. The timer ran out. No. I'm not done. How do I finish this? I'm going to delete you now. Data logic, add data rule. I'm just going to delete you. How about that? How about that? Now I'm going to publish. Publish. Platforms is required. What is platforms? Platforms is required. Platforms. Configure appearance. Platforms. Oh, okay. You didn't tell me I had to come over to configure OneFlow. Don't be hiding shit from me and then telling me that I'm a bad student. All right, platforms. It's what am I doing here? Web. Survey trigger. Input an event name and press enter to. I don't know how to do that. Boom. Publish. Trigger event name is required. Trigger event name is required. Event name. Boom. Publish. To access the sites you own. Alright, so here is a survey I created. Pretty cool. I think there was way more complex things I could do. I am going to post, waiting for first page views from Moonlight Repeat, install code snippet, then launch your app or site to complete setup. Okay, so this was cool. I eventually will probably try and get the survey link posted in the description, but this was a cool project. I like this a lot. And I wonder what pricing is. I'm not trying to call anyone out here, but you're not free, so nor should you be. Pricing. Pricing page not found. Go back to home. Maybe because I'm logged in. Maybe can I log out? How do I log out? How do I log out? How do I log out? Your project details. No. How do I log out? I want to leave. Log out. Behind settings. Alright, now let's go back to, can we go back to the beginning? OneFlow. Let's just go back, check out the pricing. Let's check out pricing. Boom. It'd be great for market research, though. I mean, market researchers, the marketers of any startup would love this because it's going to give you some really cool data, you know. Simple pricing, and I'm attacked by Intercom again. Welcome. What's your top pain point? Intercom keeps attacking me. Oh no, it's powered by OneFlow. Sorry about that, Intercom. Sorry. It's probably white labeled. All right, $75 a month for 10,000 tracked users. Unlimited surveys, unlimited team members. That's not bad at all. Can I use the same plan for multiple sites? Yes. How long do you store my analytics? Forever. How do I add the code? You find the developer. What happens if I go over my monthly? We won't charge you. Cool. This was good stuff. I really enjoyed this. I really did like this this platform. Made with love and coffee from California. Let's see. Do we have a founder that the founder was on here actually. Hey Kai Jaibo Feng, great job. great job. I'm going to go ahead and tweet great job to you. And you should definitely become a subscriber. Jaibo, Kai Feng, aka Jaibo. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. Great job building, whatever it is. It's OneFlow. I will post a video review soon. I need to do the 3 fundamental questions. The 3 fundamental questions are, what problem are you solving? Who are you solving it for? And what's your solution? So let's go back to the beginning. What problem are you solving? Well, here you are saying in-app survey tool both you and your users will love. So I guess you're solving the, hey, it sucks to gather data and feedback from our users, and it sucks to be the users giving the feedback. The current way of doing things is painful. Who are you solving that problem for? You're probably solving that problem for young startups, young founders, not in the sense of age, but just young in the sense that the company is less than 5 years old. And what is your solution? Your solution is OneFlow, which is a pretty cool platform from the looks of it, from the very quick evaluation. I think it's a really, really important problem. You know, for the projects I've been working on, this is a huge problem myself. For Moonlight MVP, I need to know, I need to know what you guys like, what you guys don't like, how to make the channel better. It's super low budget, just me and my laptop so far. So OneFlow could help me solving that problem, asking my viewers, the subscribers, very complex questions so that I could use that information to make better decisions moving forward. So thumbs up from me, OneFlow. And this is awesome. This is a real startup. This is like this is the real deal. This is a real company. So if you guys like OneFlow, buy their service. If this is something that can help you, go to OneFlow and buy it. Invest in it. And OneFlow, hey, if you want to be a sponsor, I'm not going to be mad at you. Hit me up. I'll be a sponsor. You can sponsor like a banner ad or something. I'm just kidding. I don't care if you sponsor me or not. All right, I think that kind of wraps up this episode, number 7. It was a fun one. It was a long one. It's something interesting happened. I actually got 2 subscribers. I got 2 subscribers while recording this episode, which is pretty fun. The next milestone is 200 subscribers. Looking forward to that. As a reminder, I will be doing something maybe in episode 8. I will be releasing something cheap or affordable as a collectible to commemorate and celebrate this achievement. 100 subscribers is not a lot of subscribers, but for me, I want to be able to look back and value this moment because 100 is a lot better than 1. And as always, I appreciate you guys submitting projects. If I didn't get to yours, I will get to it. I'm going to review every project that was submitted to me. It just I'm struggling to keep up with the projects that are being submitted. Keep building, and we'll see you in the next episode. The music, I really can't use the music while I'm recording because then when I post the video, it will flag it. So how about some royalty-free music? That's a good idea. I don't know how to use that. How would I use that? One of the things I thought would be cool is if like somebody that was maybe a band or an artist, and they gave me permission to use the music in the video, then I won't get a copyright strike against me.